Hey friends, if you wish to locate all your programs and apps in Windows, then please watch this video. So ideally, the method was to press Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command appwiz.cpl and hit enter. This will open the programs and features window, but this is just one way. The other one is even better. It shows all the doormat programs. So right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. This will show every app that is installed on the system. Now you will also find a few apps that are just a few KB in size. So these are Microsoft specific applications which are picked up from the cloud when they are necessary to use. So they don't occupy a lot of space on your system. They're still considered bloatware, but they don't occupy a lot of space on your system. But this is where they will appear. Now, as for third-party apps, again, you can go to the programs and features window and access them. But if you want to check all apps and programs, then you will find it in this tab. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.